everybody. Today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my left, looking at our 10 tray blast freezer. Okay, so this is going to be a blast freezer. As you can see over here in the front, you have a control system, so you can go ahead and control this blast freezer. It is going to be all stainless steel. As you can see, it does have this white protective peel off sticker. Okay, so you can go ahead and take it off once you receive this unit. Now I'm going to go ahead and give you the overall measurements. For the length, you're looking at 34 inches. For your depth, you're looking at 35 inches. Okay, and your overall height, you're looking at about 58.5 inches high. Now the unit does have wheels on the bottom, so you can easily move it around as well. Okay, this unit is going to run on a standard US plug 110 volt, which is located on the back. Also on the back, you have a sticker with more information regarding this freezer. For example, temperature range. Okay, you also got your voltage and your hertz. All that information is going to be right there. Okay, and this is going to be a 10 tray blast freezer. We're going to go ahead and open it up. Also, it's going to be stainless steel material on the inside. 2 fans on the inside for this unit. You have a control or a manual for your control system here. So if you have any questions on how to set it, you can find all the information on here. Okay, now measurements on the inside. You're looking at 25 by 19. Okay, and the overall, if you want to know the overall, it's going to be 32. Okay, you all have your holders right here for the trays, which will you place on the sides. Okay, so it is going to be a 10 tray on the inside, as we mentioned. Okay, so if you're interested in one of these blast freezers, feel free to go on our website, Bl10.com. We'll update more information regarding this unit, including the price. If you have any other questions regarding this unit, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.